The AboveTEK high-speed SD card reader is a standout tool for anyone needing fast and versatile data transfer. With speeds reaching up to 312 megabytes per second, it's perfect for quickly managing large files from your camera, drone, or action camera. This reader supports both SD and micro SD cards, making it a one-stop solution for various media needs. One of its key features is the dual SD and TF slots, which allow you to read from both types of cards simultaneously. This can be a huge time saver, especially if you're juggling multiple media sources. This device also doubles as a card holder, accommodating up to 4 SD cards and 10 TF cards. This dual functionality helps keep your media organized and easily accessible, which is a nice touch for photographers and videographers on the go. Its plug-and-play nature means you don't need to fuss with drivers. Just plug it in and start transferring media. In terms of build quality, the reader is highly durable, featuring an aluminum alloy shell with a silicone cover for added protection. The compact size and carabiner clip make it highly portable, which is great for traveling. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient card reader that also helps keep your memory cards organized, the AboveTEK high-speed SD card reader is a solid choice. Its speed and multifunctionality make it a valuable tool for anyone dealing with a lot of digital media.